Hey there, so I am Margie and I'm going to be testing out this double-sided tape. Now it does say on the packaging 4 walls. However, I did read not only online but on the packaging it actually does not recommend putting this on painted walls. So keep that in mind, use your own discretion. I'm still going to test it out on my painted walls because I don't really like putting holes in my walls, so I'll do anything possible to avoid that. And if it does take off a little bit of paint, I can always touch that up later. Keep that in mind, even though I'm using it for painted walls, they recommend not to. It does say all other surfaces like glass, aluminum, vinyl, tile, all that kind of stuff you can use these on. Now it does come in this huge pack for the price, so I do love that. 96 pieces, and not just that, has all different sizes. These would be good to use in craft projects too, or to hang posters up. And with the holidays, these would be perfect to hang your Christmas lights or decorations for like your windows. Let's go test these out. So I'm actually going to try to hang up this picture that is made out of some metal. Oh, this is where I'm going to hang the picture at. This is a wall that's been painted like 5 years ago, so I'm not even worried if it does happen to take off a little paint. Leave it like that for a couple hours, see if it stays. I'll take it down and we'll take off and see if it pulls any paint off. Let's take it down and see if it takes any paint off. Now, I don't know if you can see, but it did take a little bit of paint off here and then down here at the bottom. Even though it took a little bit of the paint, I still would recommend it. So if you are looking for some great adhesive tape, check this one out. I hope this video has helped.